Day one.
Oh yeah. So now my smock. Oh yeah. And like this. Actually, yeah, I do work out, but eating too much, so like, oh, I got a baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So, sorry, my skin's not good. Oh, I can't show you. Oh yeah. Anyways, yeah, continue our diet. It is important. 75. No way. It's ramen. It's gonna be my lunch. I don't have breakfast. Yeah. Hey, what up? I'm gonna go to the gym right now. Oh yeah. Don't say chocolate. Yeah. So this is my dinner. Rice. And this is miso soup, my original. There is club and pork, cabbage, and eringi, mushroom. Oh, and onion. It's good. It's good. Oh yeah. It's so hard. I mean, there is a snack. I'm thinking to eat, but it's okay. I don't need it. And there's, alcohol. I wanna drink. It's okay. Maybe, yeah. It's okay to drink. Just drink. Just drink. It's okay. But if I drink, I wanna eat ramen. Like I need salty. Ramen, rice with something. It's so bad. So I'm gonna sleep. See you tomorrow.